green screen. So green screen is a great feature in iMovie that allows you to superimpose one clip over another using a green or blue screen effect. And that means it takes whatever was green, or you can also use blue, in your video, and it makes it transparent. And you can see here, it's all about the layers. So how do you actually do this? Well, first of all, one really important fact is that you cannot have your subject or anything in your sort of video that you want to stay on camera in green if you're using the green screen effect. All right? So whatever footage, whether it's a photo or a video that you want to be the background, has to be the base layer, and it has to go on your timeline first. So if I'm looking through my footage and I say, this right here, this is going to be my background, I select my background and I make sure it is the base layer. So it's on here. What you do next is you find the layer that's going to be the green screen. So this is my green screen footage. I'm going to select that footage that I'm going to use, and I'm going to drag it on top of the other footage. All right? And like I mentioned in a previous video, it'll add the cutaway as the effect that it's doing. So what you do is you just go up here, and instead of cutaway, you click green/blue screen. And then you can go in and you can do a couple different things in order to actually fine-tune your green screen. First of all, I want you to notice right here that we have this softness slider, and this adjusts the edges of the green screen effect. You can make them a bit softer, and you can see, ooh, that's a little too soft. And so you can sort of play around with softening and making harder the edges of your green screen. All right, so that's the softness slider. There's also two other tools that you can work with, and they're right here. These are considered the cleanup tools. One is right here, sort of the cropping tool, and this can let you go in and sort of crop out parts of your green screen footage. I can say, oh, I'm just going to crop this part out, crop this part out. And the other one, really importantly, is the eraser. And this is when you still see some of the green screen, like right here, I can see some of the green screen, and I can use this to sort of clean up my footage a little bit. All right, so that is the green screen. And then you'll see it actually works pretty well. And that's how you do green screen.